guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be unboxing my giveaway that I won from Vee Nailedit. She is one of my favorite YouTubers. I absolutely love her channel. She's very inspirational and I was lucky enough to be one of the giveaway winners. So I just received her box and I'm so excited to open it. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. I'm so excited. I got one of the Profiles Backstage, looks like acrylic brushes. I definitely need to work in my application as far as that goes. Ooh, I got a little art brush. Fun. I got I don't know what this one is. Cool. Don't have that. Got some Macart gel polishes, and I have a lot of Macart stuff, but I really don't buy any of the nail polish, so I'm actually glad that I got another, some more polishes that I could use for my nail designs. Ooh, we got some NotPolish pigments. Fun. The Sweet Cravings Polygel Kit. I actually already have this one, but the colors and everything in it are really nice. Ooh, the frosting gel paints. Oh my gosh, I really excited to use these. I've been on the fence of trying to get them myself, and I just always never really seem to do it. So I'm excited to be able to use those. We got a bunch of different glitters. Ooh, lots of glitters. Ooh, these are really pretty. Ooh. Oh, lots of sparkly glitters. Loving those. Got some foils. Those are pretty. A curing lamp. Outshine No White Gel Top Coat. Never used this product before. We got Quick Stick It Foil Transfer. Some cuticle oil. I think this is one of her favorites that she uses. That looks really pretty. Ooh, a bunch of acrylic monomers. Or not monomers. These are really pretty. Sexy Hand. And this one is Bouquet of Roses. Spring Mist. Oh, I need to work on my acrylic application here with all of these new ones. Saffron. Second Nude. Oh, that's pretty. Acrylic, you can always use clear acrylic. My Rich Life, I wish. Oh, some acrylics. Seen them all over TikTok, but never actually used them. Caramel. That looks pretty. And this one is hazelnut. A little bit lighter. Different color nude. And then we got some chrome powder. Oh yeah, it's a chrome powder. That looks like silvery. flower decals. Maybe break them up and then you put them in the nails. Cute. I love the way it's a little packaged though. Looks pretty that way. And then some stickers. Lots of cool, fun stuff in this giveaway. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Vee Nailedit, for sending this to me. I am very excited to use everything, and I really appreciate you so much, and your channel is amazing. Now I gotta figure out what kind of look I want to do. Thank you. I pulled out these two colors because I felt they were springy vibes, and I wanted to do a spring-inspired acrylic set using the NotPolish monomer. I'm going to be using this with the NotPolish Acrylic, and then the Sculpt It Like It's Hot Profiles Backstage brush in the size 6. I already filed down my last set. This is Dip from McCart, the Dippies. They actually lasted really, really well. I have no lifting whatsoever, so I really just wanted to do a fill basically with the acrylic. I'm using some Protein Bond, so we're going to put that right at the cuticle area so the acrylic sticks really nicely. I'm going to apply 2 coats of that. You guys, let me tell you, the audacity I had thinking I was going to be good at this right out of the gate. Boy, was I wrong. I probably haven't done an acrylic set in, well, it's definitely been months. I haven't done anything this year, and I think I maybe did it early last year or maybe in the middle of the year, and I haven't touched it since. It was my non-dominant hand, and it probably just like scared me away of doing it ever again. But I had to try it with all this acrylic, so oh my gosh. I do my best, and that's all I can really say about it. I try my best. So as you can see, it's definitely not perfect. Thank goodness for an e-file and a hand file where you can really crispen that up and make any bad application look better. My thumb did go a lot better, and even my pinky was really good, but my index finger and my middle finger, I tried to do an ombre, and the blue acrylic that I was using was a little bit too light for like a thin coat to cover up the nude, so it just made it look really chunky and thick, so I ended up filing that off and just doing a full nude set. So that's why I didn't even bother to show those. But it did get easier after I filed it off into those two. And then finishing up here on the thumb, as you can see, it's a lot smoother than my first application. Taking my e-file now, I'm just going to go over the tops of all of my nails and really try to thin this out the best I can, smooth out the surface, and just get that cuticle super flush to the nail. Then I'm going to take my buffing block and really buff up the surface because I'm going to be using some of those Profiles Backstage frosting paints for our design. My intention was to do something spring vibes, but it just didn't end up working out. And look at my cuticles. Like, I got so mad and frustrated with how I was doing like the acrylic. Like, I almost gave up. So I like went to town on my nails trying to file off my index finger, my middle finger, and I ended up cutting myself with my e-file. I was so mad at myself. Don't be me, guys. Don't be me. Patience. Patience and practice. And I need to practice more with acrylic. I decided to do like a St. Patrick's Day green design since I had all the colors, and these colors are absolutely perfect for this look. The Profiles Backstage frosting paints are really nice and thick. The color is amazing. The thickness and just the line work you can do with these is really, really nice. So I do suggest these. I really, really like the way that this came out. I'm using the Outshine No Wipe Gel Top Coat that I got in the box too, and honestly I really loved this also. Like the thickness of it, the shine, it just really smooths out any texture that you have from the gel or even the acrylic, anything like that. It was just really, really nice to use and it was awesome. I'll definitely be using this again. She is definitely right about this cuticle oil. This stuff smells delicious. Like, I want to eat it. It smells so good. So you guys, this here is the finished look. Honestly, I really like the way that it came out. Despite all the frustration and wanting to give up, I'm really glad that I didn't and I decided to see it through. I definitely need some more practice when it comes to acrylic, and I'm definitely going to be doing that. I have a practice hand that I just never use, so I'm going to be pulling her out again. But I really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thank you Vee Nailedit for sending me this box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.